Hi guys, this is Krish. I'm going to show you how to make a fidget spinner. And as this is my first video, I'm going to make it very simple. So let's get started. These are the pieces which you need. So if you want, you can pause the video here. Let's do it. So this piece first, like a round piece. Then after that, take this, turn it around. So keep putting it everywhere. Turn it around. Now take this 3 piece. Then here like this. And then keep putting it like this. After you have to turn it around and then put it. And then keep it like this. You can take any color, but I'm just mixing like 2 colors. One here. If you want, you can do my way. Keep this down. This piece. Take this type of piece like this. Just put it here like this. Then take the same thing. Keep it down. Now we keep this down. Take this. It's like a straight piece and a round. Then put it here. Turn it around, put the same thing like this it was. Now just press it in like this, like this. Then after that, take this. And here's the cool fidget spinner. One second, sorry. You should not press it too hard, like hold it too hard inside, or else it'll get stuck. And here you have to leave some gap which it can shake. So then here we go. Like this. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and do like, share, subscribe and tap the bell icon. Bye.